Moving, let's go, come on.
Hi there, Peter.
Hello.
Smile and wave, boys. Cute and...
Start the process!
Using too much new technology, that's what.
You're gonna miss me when I'm gone.
She's gone. Have some dishwashing liquid? Dishwashing liquid.
Yeah. Got milk.
Now, that's such an engine. It's feeding time. It's feeding time.
He's lactating. Behind the scenes. Little beatbox sesh right here, right now. Just another day in the office, you know.
Jim Blonde.
He's that dude.
I'm that dude.
Welcome to my
I kept belching throughout the filming. It was very... Dr. Pepper, I'm going to have to really lay some ground rules for you guys.
Yeah.
Dr. Pepper was ruining the...
Yeah, I know.
What was it? It was making me belch a lot.
She's vlogging. Leave her alone.
I'm vlogging.
Whoa. Yeah. That was sick.
Okay. It's a bit awkward. So where's our film?
What film? There's no film to do. You always try to be racist, try to copy my accent.
Idiot. Oh, that's super walk.
Get down!
Super walk accent.
Oh, you idiot! Bro, wait, I'm talking like a fob now, aren't I? Fucking, I can't even do vlog.
Sorry, post the rope.
Yeah.
But no.
But I can't do the accent.
I am, but I'm not. Because I can't.
It's not, it's in me, but it's not. It's on me, but it's not in me. Do you get that? It's on me, but it's not in me.
Oh,
That makes sense.
That sounds dirty.
Oh.
Where's your bedroom? Which one is your bedroom? Sit.
It's over there.
Where'd it go? Oh, it's over there. Shoo, hide from me.
No, they don't
Do not the same
They don't
time.
take it at the same
Wait,
time.
are we all tuning
One at a
or-
time.
I don't know which way.
And we're going to do the chili challenge because most of you people commented and told me to do it. So we're going to do it today. So thank you in advance for this. Okay, everyone grab one. We're going to eat it together.
Oh, wow. Okay.
When's this gonna stop?
Oh my god.
That is so cheating. She can't get you. That's my nephew. Maybe you've seen him before. They're just tonguing each other. Lola, be cute. She's like, what the hell? Gorgeous. Don't ever drink a mocha again. So we're here at Kmart. Kmart. We've got coffee. And we're just sitting here. Chilling. We've got coffee. Coffee. Ah, my little assistant on set, casually taking her shift break. She's been a great lighting assistant, but found the comfort in my bag to nestle up to.